What if your bank account, your credit card perks, and your crypto wallet all lived in the same place, working together for you? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies comes with risks like volatility and market fluctuations. Before you decide to trade cryptocurrencies, make sure you consider your risk appetite. Let's get into it. Alrighty folks, with the Crypto.com Level Up program, this one's an absolute ripper. I just love Crypto.com as an overall service. They're really dependable. They've been in the industry for quite a while, and when it comes to reputation and regulation in cryptocurrency, they're the gold standard. That's a fact. Basically, you've got finance, trading, and rewards all in one place when you sign up to use Level Up. This makes it even easier to access investment rewards and other spending features, which there are quite a few. What Crypto.com does so well is that they bridge the gap between traditional, boring finance and lifestyle by making it seamless, stylish and easy, even if you're a complete beginner. So it's not just about crypto, it's an all-in-one financial ecosystem, and no one does it better than Crypto.com. They make it really accessible for everyone, including you watching this video. Not just traders. They've also got some premium finance benefits as well. They offer up to 5% APY cashback on purchases, which you can really see here, especially if you go for the private tier, where you get between 4 and 6% back on your card spending. And there's a stock and ETFs transfer bonus up to 3%. Now, you've also got lifestyle perks already included, starting with CRO rewards of up to 6% back on purchases, rebates on Netflix and Spotify, as well as free airport lounge access. Subscriptions do start at $4.99 US dollars per month after that trial period. If you do want to go ahead and sign up for Level Up with Crypto.com, the link will be at the top of the description of this video and in the pinned comment. Alright folks, so what are your other? The value's there. I'm personally using Level Up myself and have been for a while now. And $4.99 a month for all those perks, you could basically make that money back pretty easily, probably in an hour, with the advantages that Level Up has given you. So for me, it's kind of a no-brainer to get involved. But let me know what you think about Level Up in the comments, especially considering that trading fees are actually waived for all active investors. This really puts it right up there as one of the best financial products, in my opinion, undeniably so, especially in the crypto space right now in 2026. So what are you waiting for? Take your wealth and investing to the next level with Level Up. And finally see today how you can actually combine finance and lifestyle and enjoy yourself while making money. It's perfect if you're someone who travels or just an everyday user. Doesn't matter who you are. If you want to level up your game, get involved today. Please remember, these videos are for entertainment purposes only and never invest more than you can afford to lose.